Good morning, everyone. Now we will start the morning call. US markets were up 1% yesterday. Asian markets are up between half to 1% this morning on increasing hopes that the Federal Reserve might stand still on interest rates in its next meeting in June. Federal Reserve officials are signaling that they plan to keep interest rates steady in June while retaining option to hike further in coming months if the need be so. Expectations have steadily declined regarding a 25 basis points hike over last 2 weeks from 50% chance back then to today just a 20% chance of that happening. So overall positive sentiment for global markets. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yes, thank you, Jehan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Yesterday, we have seen a profit booking session from 18,570 towards 18,460 levels. But as of now, Nifty has found a support at around 18,400. We can say that because today we are getting a gap up opening and we are likely to witness some sort of a positive mood during the day. On the technical front, on higher side, as of now, the immediate resistance is placed at 18,570. Any more above that level, we expect a positive momentum to be carried forward towards 18,640 to 18,700 levels. Whereas on the downside, as I said, 18,400 will be the crucial support level. If it's break that level on the closing basis, then we can witness more profit booking into the market, which might take a Nifty towards 18,300, a support level provided by its 20 DMA. So the view for the today intraday levels will be a positive. Now coming towards the Bank Nifty has been really done very well from the last few trading sessions. Yesterday we have seen almost 0.6% downfall or say the correction into the market, but it has somehow maintained support of 43,800, 900. That support zone is there on the Bank Nifty front. On the higher side, as of now, the immediate resistance is placed at 44,200 levels. Any more about that level, we expect a positive momentum to be seen in Bank Nifty, which might take a Bank Nifty towards 44,500 and 44,750 levels. Whereas on the downside, the immediate support is placed at 43,800. Below that level, 43,600 and 43,550 levels can be seen. Now coming towards the Fin Nifty, for today intraday purpose, 19,540 and 19,660 are the resistance level we need to keep eye on it. On the downside, 19,350 and 19,270 are the crucial supports level. So as long as three indices maintain their supports level, we are likely to witness some positive momentum during a day. Now coming towards the stock specific, Jubilant Food really looks very good on the technical setups. We believe that the stock is well placed above the important moving average and gave the consolidation breakout. Yesterday we have initiated a buy call in this particular counter. We are looking for a target of 520 on the higher side. One should hold their long positions with the stop loss of 480. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as I mentioned from previous trading sessions, that market tend to be positive with the support of 18,500 level on the future front. Now we are seeing that on the monthly basis, the OI positions which are getting created is like from 18,500 and 600 striker correlator positions have got added up. But in today's session, we are seeing that the market is likely to open on a gap up node above 18,600 level. So if in the first half market gets a stable above 18,600 level, then the corner positions will get liquidated at 18,500 and 600 level and will shift on the upper end towards 18,800 to 19,000 strike. Currently, Nifty is continuously trading in the range of 18,500 to 800 level, but overall the market strength as per stock specific front seems to be very positive. So we recommend you to hold the long position with the support of 18,500 level. On the upside, we expect the market to stretch to 18,800 to 19,000 mark in coming trading sessions. While another data points, we are seeing that India VIX is trading at the supportive level at 11.6. So India VIX is having resistance at 13.5. About that only negative sentiments will be created. Before that, we expect a market trend to be positive. On the stock specific front, we expect stocks like Tata Motors, UBL and Jubilant Food. These three counter have shown some strong fresh long positions in yesterday trading session. So we expect buying in these three counter will be continued in today's session also. So that's it on the derivative front. Thank you.
Um, on the fundamental side, there is news on quite a few stocks. NHPC has inked an initial pact with Nepalese utility company for developing 480 megawatt of hydroelectric project. This is positive. SJVN has signed a project development agreement for 669 megawatt in Nepal. The project will be constructed over 5 years at a cost of 5,800 crores. This is positive for SJVN. Few days back, we had discussed that government has revised the FAME 2 subsidies, lower, and to that extent, companies, EV companies will have to hike their two-wheeler prices. So that has happened. TVS has increased the price of TVS iQube scooter by 17 to 20,000 rupees. So to that extent, approximately we can say between 10 to 15% price hike will happen for the iQube scooter. Although the base is very small, so it won't impact TVS as a whole, but sentimentally we can say that the two-wheeler EV space will have some short-term setback maybe for a couple of months, but eventually it will come back, bounce back. And as it is, government has given the subsidy deadline of March 2024, by when all the subsidies will go away. So after that, there will be further price hikes. But the EV transition will keep happening, although these kind of intermittent hiccups will come for a couple of months. Aditya Birla Capital will raise 1,250 crore via preference issue to promoters. So issue of 6.06 crore shares to Grasim Industries and 1.5 crore shares to Surya Kiran Investment respectively at 165 rupees against current market price of around 171. So this will be seen positively by the market that promoter is infusing fresh money. Paras Defense and Space Technologies and an Israeli-based company have formed a 30/70 joint venture to manufacture electro-optic infrared systems for various applications. This is positive. Aster DM Healthcare has entered into hospital operation and management agreement with Padmavati Medical Foundation, which is a 130-bed tertiary super specialty hospital situated in Kerala. So this is positive for Aster DM. Thank you.
In au- in automobile sector, all the OEMs have reported their numbers. Yesterday, month sales update has been released, where in PV segment, some of the manufacturers reported double-digit growths, such as Maruti Suzuki reported with numbers which grew 10% Y-on-Y basis, whereas Mahindra and Mahindra also grew by 14% on Y-o-Y basis. In commercial vehicle segment, mixed review was seen with the exception of VECV and Mahindra. Most of the others, including Ashoka Leyland, were below expectation as their total sales came at 13,134 units, which declined by 1% YOY basis, whereas Tata Motors also declined by 12% on YOY basis. Talking about two-wheelers OEM segment, Hero MotoCorp was a standout performer, which actually grew by 7% on YY basis, whereas Bajaj Auto was also seen that the sales came above expectation, where it came up with numbers of 3,55,000 units, and which grew by 29% on YY basis. Talking about motorcycles in the Royal Enfield's part, it came up with 77,461 units, which was also positive as it grew by 22% on YY basis. Uh, Also, TVS Motors was sales was above expectations. Talking about their two-wheelers and three-wheelers total sales, which came at 3,30,000 units, and it also grew by 9% on YY basis. Demand for all the other entry-level motorcycles seems to be improving. In May 23, two-wheeler EV sales surpassed by 100K volume for the first time, and this could be attributed to be rushed by EV buyers before the June 1st price hikes following the reduction in the FAME subsidy. Talking about the tractor sales, which were found flattish on YY basis, where Escort's Kubota reported 9,167 units, and versus YY 8,421 units, which grew by 9%. And the domestic sales also of Mahindra and Mahindra declined by 4% on YY basis. Overall, the macroeconomic factors and farmer sentiments remain positive, resulting in positive sales trend across most of the geographies.
Yeah, thank you, Archie. Commodities team can take over now.
Yeah, thank you very much. So in today's session, we are likely to witness commodities bouncing back, and it should rise. So gold one can initiate a buy around 60,200 and maintain a stop loss of 59,950. And upside we are expecting 60,500 to 700 levels. Similarly, silver also we are expecting 73,200, 73,500 on upside. So buying around 72,200 is recommended, and with a stop loss of 71,500. Crude yesterday we had seen a recovery from the lows, and uh, uh, buying around 50, 5770 is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 5700, or on a lower base 5670 also one can keep a stop loss. On upside again 5900 to 5950 is the level we are looking for. In metal also is expected to rise. Copper we expect prices to test 720.25 on upside. So buying on dips is recommended. Zinc also we expect prices to test 210, 212 levels. So buying is recommended in zinc also. And similarly, aluminum also we expect 210 to 12 on upside. So all in all, looks a buy and dip market. I'll ask Utkarsh to take off from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. Yesterday, we saw a very big fall in USD INR. So, if prices are going to continue from the momentum, so one can initiate a short position within a range of 82.45 to 82.56 levels with a stop loss of 82.67.75 for the target of 82.30 and 82.20 levels, and one can initiate also long positions in the range of 82.18 to 82.09 levels with a stop loss of 82.04 levels for the target of 82.30 and 82.50 levels. In JBP INR, if prices are going to sustain above
No. In GBP INR, if prices are going to test 103.37 levels, so one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 103.31 for the target of 103.03 and 102.91 levels. In JPY INR, one can initiate a long position if prices are going to sustain about 59.80 levels. One can initiate a long position with the stop loss of 59.45 levels for the target of 60.20 levels. Thank you.